Hello and welcome to this new CSML quick tutorial. And today I'm going to talk about how to integrate a CSML chatbot into a WordPress websites, like this one over here. So first we are going to have a look at the chatbot. So the chatbot is a basic, very simple, very short joke chatbot. If we click on build and run, you can see that the chatbot says, here's a good joke. Then it tells the joke, and if you say, I don't know, so what is a witch's favorite subject in school? I don't know. It comes up with a punchline, spelling, which is very funny. And you can choose to get another one. How does that work? The chatbots obviously say this, and then it fetches a joke from an API, and you can have a look at the API. So here, there is a setup line, and there is a punchline. And then the chatbots give the setup phrase, wait for the user inputs, and give the punchline, and then it asks the user whether or not he wants another joke. If it does, it starts over. So how do we integrate this into WordPress? So you need to go to channels, and we'll need a web app. Okay, so it's a web app channel. We give it a name, so joke bot seems to be suitable. As you can see, you can check your chatbots on a public URL over here. So if you click on it, the chatbot is here. So I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. Okay, I'm not quite sure what to answer to that. It's impossible to put down. Okay, again, very funny, very funny. So we want this into a chat box. Okay, so we go down to the bottom of the page, and you can see that there is a chat box configuration panel down at the bottom. In this chatbot configuration panel, there is a script that you can place in your website, and there is also what's the call to action, the button to open the chatbot will look like, and you can provide the text. So we can say, check out my awesome jokes, and save. Okay, now we go to the admin panel. We are going to go to plugins to add new. We are going to look for header and footer scripts. So that's the one, and we are going to install it. This plugin is very small and it's very fast, so it's quite good for WordPress. And you can then activate it. Right, so that's done. Awesome. Now we need to set it up. So we go to settings. We go to header and footer scripts. And here you can either put a script in the header section of your HTML or in the footer. So we go to footer because it's JavaScript, and JavaScript is usually better in the footer section. And we are going to paste this code here. So we select it, and we paste it, and we go save settings. Okay, so that's saved. Now we go back to the blog, we refresh it, and we have our chatbot down at the bottom. And if we click on it, obviously we'll have the story, so the joke about anti-gravity, and if you can keep talking to it, and it will keep providing you with jokes. Sorry, and that's it. It's done. You've done it, and if you change anything in the code, it will change it in WordPress as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.